Hey guys, this is Travis. This is my new 2018 F150. I just picked up a DualLiner. Actually got it in a week ago. Tomorrow, I put it in. I did a review. I didn't like the review. I'm going to redo it. I come from spray-on liners. Had two of them in the last two pickups that I owned, and I had to look at this thing for a little while to see how I really felt about it. And after I've got it in, the mat and everything's had some time to sit in the sun, I like it. I think it's tough. It went in really easy. The wheel wells, they're protected. That was one issue I always had with my spray ends, is they would seem to get dented up from hauling stuff in there. I like the fact you can take it out. You can clean it. I like the raised lip on the bed. You can slide stuff in and out off of it without it scratching up the plastic rail top. That was one thing about the spray ends. It seems like I was always messing this up because stuff would rake right over top of it. So that's a plus. Really, the only negative thing that I would have to say about it at this time is I wish that they would run this down a little bit farther to protect this portion of the tailgate. But other than that, that's really the only thing that I have to complain about. I really like the liner. It's tough. It's easy to install, and I definitely recommend it. Actually, I'm going to get online and see if they make one for a 96. I've got a 96 F-150 that belongs to my dad, and we were getting ready to spray line it, and he saw this and he liked it so much he wants me to see if they make one for it. So we'll probably be purchasing a second liner shortly. Alright, that's it. That's my review of the DualLiner. Thanks.